have something to celebrate, at the end of this video, I'm gonna give away 5 t-shirts due to the fact that I have hit 500 subscribers. It's been a long road to hoe. It's harder than I thought it was, man. Ain't nothing easy about this. But at the end of this video, I'm gonna have a question, and the first 5 of my already 500 subscribers that answered it, I'm gonna send you a t-shirt. So get ready, stay to the end, and be quick on the buttons, all I can say. The first thing I'm gonna put on is the wiring harness, which it looks like a little bit of a mess, but it ain't that bad. But I wanna get my headlights working. I wanna get my ignition switch. I wanna make sure everything's working. So I'm gonna put this on. That should be good to go. It comes with that. We don't need none of that. This battery tray was aftermarket, and it was a pig to fit, but I got it fitting. But anytime you buy something aftermarket, that's why I like to use original. Anytime you buy something aftermarket, it never fits right. You always got to tweak it and jack it around. I had to do a little bit more than this. I'll show you. I had to grind this whole edge right here, because when it kicked in, it was hitting there. Look, and then this edge here, when you tried to roll the battery tray out, that edge there was hitting right there. I had to grind that off a little bit and cup that a little bit. And then the hole where the pig went through, this hole right here was too damn small. I had to round it out a little bit. Swings out. Perfect, man. I had to knock that forward. It was a pain, but I got it. That one damn boat. Grill. Yeah, seen it. Grill. Everything's dry over here, Joe. Micro Guard MGL 51068. Now, on my first video, a guy kind of got upset. He commented, "Why you let that tractor get so rough? Why you treat it like that? Them Ford tractors are good tractors." Well, when you see this next step, you're gonna be even madder at me, but I didn't know, man. But anyhow, here it goes.
Ooh, that's water. That ain't good, Joe.
That's not good at all.
How much smells like you're full of water?
Guess it leaked in it. Holy shit, man. Huh? Reminds me of my Ford F-450. What's that with these Fords? Is it gonna hit any oil?
Yeah. You're gonna need to plug it. Let me pull that bucket out in a minute. And we're gonna dump that water out.
How full is it? Yeah, go get another bucket.
Those buckets.
Go grab another. When this tractor come in, it was a rust bucket. But you know, I owned it. It was my damn tractor. Nobody's fault but mine. But we have took it, the iconic, quintessential Ford 3000 tractor, brung it back to life. Good to go, top to bottom. Any farmer would be proud to ride on this damn tractor. I guarantee you that. What do you think about it? Tell you what, I'm gonna be the envy of West Glazy Pole Road. Little girls on prom night are gonna get their picture taken by this damn tractor. But anyway, let me give you a walk around real quick. Fresh paint front to back, new grill, new decals down the side, tires painted pretty white with blue lug nuts, can't beat that. New seat, the seat came with the mountain all on it. Back here we got a spotlight rigged up so when you're hooking up your implement, it gets late at night, you can see what you're doing, won't hurt yourself. That's a safety feature there. New steering wheel, I got all my gauges hooked up and working. I got the little decal sticker there, tell you what gear you're in. It even tells you RPM and it tells you everything you want to know. We have changed all the fluids. You seen what come out of it. You seen what we put back in it. This tractor should be able to go another 50 damn years. I won't be here to see it. Maybe one of my grandkids, but hell, when I die, they probably gonna have big state sales, sell all my shit. But anyhow, I'd love to see my grandkids in their 30s riding on this same tractor. Any luck, I will. You're probably wondering, Joe, what you doing out here in front of this old barn, all this high grass? Because tomorrow, I'm gonna put my brand new finish mower on this baby and cut this grass. I didn't build it to look at, I built it to work. Me and this tractor gonna get after it, I can guarantee you. Here's a question you've been waiting on. In the beginning, I told you I was gonna give away 5 shirts to my first 500 subscribers. What my plan is, if everything works right, every time I hit 100, when I hit 600, I'm gonna give away 6 shirts. When I hit 700, I'm gonna give away 7 shirts. All the way to 1,000. My goal is 1,000 subscribers in a year. I'm on track, barely on track, but I'm on track. So the question is, my forklift at my shop I use to lift the logs, it has a name. What is the name of that forklift? If you watch my videos and you paid any kind of attention, you ought to know this ought to be easy. Hell, that t-shirt ought to be in the bag. But anyhow, answer that question, put it in my comment, answer it, and I'm gonna have to figure out a way. There's a helicopter. This tractor looks so good, planes are starting to circle it, huh? I tell you what that plane is. They got a oil line, oil line runs across my property, and I think every day a plane drives over it to make sure ain't nothing leaking. That's how much of a economical hazard it is. He has to check it every day. That worries me a little bit, but as long as he keeps checking it, I guess we'd be all right. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Yeah. That tractor would have fell on me. You went and got me some help, huh? Yeah, I know you would have. Yeah, I know you would have. What you doing? That beer tastes awful.